Today I am so happy. I got 3 trees I've been waiting in the mail to get for a very long time. 2 pears and an apple. And on this very, very windy day, we're going to plant them. Very windy. So let's go. Oh my goodness. I got these trees because of their disease resistant qualities. I have got them from Grandpa's orchard, and they are disease resistant. Let's see how they do. We're about to plant them right now. They look so nice. It's very cold here in Tennessee, and they wouldn't send these trees until it was very cold. They're supposed to be dormant. So they're very nice trees, so I can't wait to put them in the ground. It's about 38 degrees right now in the morning. I love these trees. They sure are very well. Look, nice packed on in moss. They come bare root, and this moss, it's damp. It's very wet. See, still damp. So they're very healthy, and it only took 3 days for them to get here. Very healthy roots. And for those of you who are watching us for the very first time, you can see these laundry baskets everywhere. And these laundry baskets have little baby plants underneath them. And they're there because every time we walk around the garden, we step on them or run over them with a wheelbarrow. But here you have us digging a hole, making sure the roots are sitting on a mound of dirt. And when we step on it to make absolutely sure that there's no air pockets. I am just so excited about these trees. Imagine a tree that doesn't get any bugs. Wouldn't that be great? No blight, no curculio bug, no borers, none of that. I'm hoping that that's what these trees are, and I sure will find out next year for sure once we get some foliage on this. This company also sends you this so the animals don't, the rabbits and the squirrels or whatever, raccoons don't bite the bark. We tie 3 strings on these trees because it's very windy here and also very, very wet. And these baby trees, they need some support. So we do this on all 3 trees. And as you can see, it's tied very, very loose, not to damage the tree whatsoever. I also add a little fish emulsion to the water. Every time we plant a new tree, I always do this. It helps. this is the last tree. Here is the end process. They all came out like this. They all have 3 strings attached to them for support from the wind and the rain. It's going to be snowing here in the next couple of days. At least one day this week it'll snow. So I hope my trees survive. Take care. If you saw something you like, please give me a thumbs up. Bye. And as always, hit the bell, like, share, and subscribe.